Okay, so this is Jeffrey Baker at Lone Star College, North Harris. Today, me and my classmates came in to the lab, and we're working on this setup behind me. So this is a multi-pressure system, actually, in which we have two pressure relief valves. We've got some directional control valves that are operated by solenoids. So this is Electro-Hydraulics because we have those solenoids involved in this system. So those can change to different chambers and then different paths inside the system, which will create different outcomes. So in this scenario, we're going to have two different pressures. We're going to have one pressure which is at about 40, about 4 bar, and then the next one, the second pressure, will be about 3 bar. Okay, so I'll show you the schematic right here. This is the hydraulic schematic. So we've got these two pressure relief valves right here, and this one actually has a check valve in it. Okay, and then we have this first, let's see, DCV1, directional control valve 1, and these have two solenoids on them to change these different chambers. And then we've also got this other directional control valve 2, which is only one solenoid, right? So there's one solenoid on that one. And this has two chambers instead of the 3. And then we have a flow control valve, we got shut-off switch down here, and a cylinder and a rod right here with the spring on the end. We got a pressure gauge. Let's see, 2 more pressure gauges and manifolds. So right here, let's see, we'll just take this closer. So we've got this set up so that, so I'll also show you, let's see. So I'll also show you the ladder logic that we used to set up the electronic section, or part of it. Okay, so we got these rails, and then we've got these rungs. So there's 6 rungs. Okay, we got push button 1, normally open, CR2 normally closed. So we've got all of these parameters, and this is what we use to set up the electrical part. Okay, and then I'll show you that. So on here it looks really confusing, but it's okay. But right here, so we've got the single solenoid operated directional control valve right there. We've got the double solenoid operated directional control valve. So you can see all the wires we have going into there. Those go up to our relays. So these different relays right here. This control relay 1, 2, and then we have our push buttons over here. And then let's see, these are our pressure relief valves. So that's the one with the check valve. This is the other one. So right there. Okay, and we've got flow control valve right here. Okay, so we got all this set up, and then this is the gauge that we're using to see the pressure. So if I press push button 1, this will be at 4 bar. So press that. There you go. So that solenoid is operated along with this one, and that gives us our 4 bar. And then right here, this other button gives us 30, which is 3 bar. So yeah.